Good now. Okay. We're back on the road. Kami po ay pupunta sa Barrio 5, Banga, South Cotabato. Dahil kami po ay inimbitahan na makikain. Okay, nandito kami ngayon sa Rayaville para magpagasolina. Yan ang mga kasama natin. Yan. Okay.
Ako na butong ko. Speed up!
'Nag-eat ka ng coconut?
No way.
Why?
But I don't want that.
You know, coconut, it's so, masarap.
You like chili?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take you. It's so spicy.
Spicy.
Okay, we're back on the road.
No.
Okay.
Laag kami sa Tubiala, magbili kami ng suka. Suka, tuba.
Okay.
Diyan na natin itong bula di bubong ay parang matagigid ni. Diyos ko.
Okay. Nandito na tayo sa Banga area ng South Cotabato.
No.
Kung mapansin ninyo,
No.
nakikita natin yung Center Island. Ito po yung construction sa South Cotabato.
No.
Why are you saying no?
I don't want it.
park pa sa may Carpenter Hill area. Yun na lang.
No.
Hindi. Hanggang saan ito?
Pag-attend ng reunion, makikita nyo dito. Makikita nyo ang elementary school na ito. Tapos dahan-dahan tayo. Yan ang pakatandaan, yung elementary school na yan.
Where it is?
Then mag-signal na tayo na magliko.
Ng kanto ng Liwanay.
Oh no.
Barrio 1, papunta ng Barrio 5. Welcome to
So,
Purok.
you might gonna die.
Yan dito guys, liko. Diretso.
Ito ang tandaan nyo, papasok.
What?
Papasok ito ng Barrio 5.
Golden tanim.
We're inside. We're inside.
Okay, welcome to Surala. Papasok na tayo ng Surala, guys.
Umingaw no?
Ganito yung daanan ng Surala, oh. 6 lanes.
Kainom kami din ni tatay, tatay ng ano, Locks oh. Ano ba yun?
Ng coffee.
No.
Sa left side, makikita natin yung lokal ng Surala. Ayan. Lokal ng Surala. Okay, we are approaching the famous round ball of Surala. Ayan, makikita natin.
Well, waterfall.
Ayan.
Waterfall Maligo.
Ayan, ang round ball ng Surala. Famous yan siya sa Soxargent.
Waterfall na.
Yung makikita natin ay Surala Integrated Terminal. Ayan.
I hope that this won't
Tapos papuntang Tubiala, dito tayo magliko.
No.
Ito yung papuntang Tubiala.
Bakit na ako siyang tubi alan? Wala kayo na tubig dira.
Road trip to Tubiala.
Ikaw ba ikaw bro? Ikaw ka laro? Ikaw ka laro? Meron na si Gab-Gab na gano'n na. Dikit-dikit?
Yeah, just like me.
Ano dito? Kasi lang ka.
Right.
Ayun pa na.
Nandito na kami sa lokal ng Tubiala. Ayan.
Guys, we are playing game.
Gab-Gab is playing games.
Yeah, pero na wala ang tusok-tusok ng ice.
Okay.
Hindi mo malapit ka na sa...
Your favorite oh? Your favorite Jollibee shop, Hot Wheels.
Clocks, ang Ano sa'yo?
And how with Mia? I was like ice cream.
Gab, ano sa'yo?
Wow.
What's the flavor?
Dito.
Oo.
So beautiful. I like it.
Anong flavor mo, Gab?
Two one.
Durian lang sa akin na yan. May durian sila.
Mixer. Ay, ganon. Bawal na mag-mix.
Ha?
Bawal na mag-mix. Sorry.
Oh, durian na lang, pure.
Sorry for that.
Oh, God. What? Only one. Choose one.
What did you order, Gab? What did you order?
Oh, that's so
Ito po, durian.
wow! I like my
Wow,
very
so
cool
they-
ice cream. Babe.
Sit down here, sit down here. Ay, there, sit down.
Sit. Yummy. Yummy. Can I have some?
Opo.
Tapos ubi pa isa, ubi sa Klaus.
You like that? Can I have some? No way. Just your ice cream.
Ubi pa isa.
Wow.
You like mango ice cream? Yeah. Oh.
Okay, sit down and relax.
Yeah, relax. You cannot go.
Yeah. What do you say? Yummy?
Yeah, yummy.
Say thank you.
Okay, thank you guys, sir, na yummy ice cream.
Thank you.
First this all going up level.
Okay.
You want OB cup? Cheers.
No, 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 no.
Can I try OB? Can you try?
You want to exchange? Easy lang.
Okay.
Melting to make it look. Get, go, go, go. You can do it.
Hello, the rain's coming.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Look.